Hello, my sweet learners. How are you all? I hope you all are good because ma'am is absolutely fine, and ma'am is hoping you all are also good and you all are enjoying online session. So, students, today we are going to learn something new. Do you want to know what we are going to learn? So, students, today we are going to learn about vowels and consonant. So, let's start.
बच्चों, आप सभी ने हिंदी में वर्णमाला पढ़ी है। वर्णमाला में क्या होता है? वर्णमाला में स्वर और व्यंजन होते हैं और ये दोनों मिलकर शब्द बनाते हैं। बच्चों, इसी तरह इन इंग्लिश वी हैव 26 लेटर्स। आउट ऑफ दीज सम अल्फ़ाबेट्स आर स्वर एंड सम अल्फ़ाबेट्स आर व्यंजन। डू यू नो व्हाट डू वी से स्वर एंड व्यंजन इन इंग्लिश? इंग्लिश में स्वर को वॉल्स कहते हैं और व्यंजन को कॉन्सोनेंट कहते हैं। एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर वी हैव 26 लेटर्स। आउट ऑफ दीज सम अल्फ़ाबेट्स आर वॉल्स एंड सम अल्फ़ाबेट्स आर कॉन्सोनेंट्स। जितने भी वर्ड्स होते हैं वॉल्स एंड कॉन्सोनेंट से मिलकर बनते हैं। Now let's go and learn which alphabets are called vowels and which alphabets are called consonant. So students, we have 5 vowels and they are A, E, I, O, U. These 5 alphabets are called vowels. Students, except these alphabets, remaining alphabets are called consonants. Without these vowels, no words is complete. Friends, इंग्लिश में ऐसा कोई वर्ड नहीं है जिसमें एटलीस्ट 1 वॉल्स ना हो। जिस तरह हिंदी में स्वरों के बिना शब्द पूरे नहीं होते हैं, इसी तरह इंग्लिश में वॉल्स के बिना वर्ड्स कंप्लीट नहीं होते हैं। So you can see that we have 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. इन्हें छोड़कर जितने भी लेटर्स होते हैं उन्हें कॉन्सोनेंट कहते हैं। Here you can see letter Y, which is written under both vowels and consonant. There are some vowels in English like my, fly, and by. In these words, letter Y replaces all other vowels and is used as honorary vowel.
So, students, what we have learned till now? We have learned that we have 26 letters in English, and out of 26 letters, there are 5 vowels, and remaining letters are consonant. Okay? सो इंग्लिश में 5 वॉल्स होते हैं एंड जो रिमेनिंग लेटर्स होते हैं वो कॉन्सोनेंट होते हैं। ओके, एंड you all will notice that we can't make any word without using vowels. There will be at least 1 vowels in the word. So let's see, मेरे नाम से देखते हैं। As you all know, my name is Shreya. So the spelling of my name is Shreya. So can you tell me what is the first letter of my name? Correct. It's S. So can you tell me, is it vowel or is it consonant? Right. It's consonant because vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So the letter S is consonant. Let's see remaining letters. What are they? Vowels or consonant? So the next letter is H. H is consonant. It's also consonant. Next is R. R is also consonant. Next is E. So can you tell me? E is vowel or consonant? Right, it's wall. Next is Y. Y is also consonant. Next, last one is A. A is wall. So, in this way, you can see how many vowels and consonants are in your name. Okay? So, check this and then tell me in online session. So, students, now we will see some pictures, and with the help of picture, we will see there how many vowel and how many consonant are in the word. Okay, so let's see some spellings and then we will find how many vowels and how many consonants are in that word. So let's start.
Students, you can see here we have apple, and the spelling of apple is A-P-P-L-E. So students, can you tell me how many vowels and how many consonants are in apple? So the first letter A is vowel, and the second letter P is consonant, and the next letter L is also consonant, and the last one is E, and it's vowel. So we have 2 vowels and 3 consonants. So students, we have 2 vowels and 3 consonants in the word apple. Okay? Students, next word is banana. Spelling of banana is B-A-N-A-N-A. So students, can you find how many vowels and how many consonants are in banana? So we will see first letter is B, and that is consonant. Next is A, that is vowel. Next is N, that is consonant. So in this way we have 3 vowels and 3 consonants. Okay? Now students, next is mango. Spelling of mango is M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Can you find how many vowels and how many consonants are in mango? Let's see. The first letter is M, and that is consonant. Next is A, that is vowel. Next is N, that is also consonant. Next is G, it's also consonant. Last one is O, and that is vowel. So here we can see we have 2 vowels and 3 consonants. Okay? Now let's see another picture. So students, next is orange. Spelling of orange is O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Can you see how many consonants and how many vowels are there? Let's see. First letter is O, and that is vowel. Next is R, and that is consonant. Next is A, and that is vowel. Next is N, that is also consonant. Next is G, and it's also consonant. Last one is E, and it's vowel. So students, we have 3 vowels here and 3 consonants. We are going to do some work that is related to vowels and consonants. So first of all, you will make 3 columns like this I have made. Okay? Then in the first column, you will write family members, and then vowels, then consonants. Now what you will do? Students, you will write in the first column names of your family members. Okay? Like I have written here my name first, then my sister name, then my brother name. Okay? You can write your mother, your father, your grandfather, grandmother, and you can write here your family member's name. Okay? So After that, you will underline vowels that are in your name. Okay, then you will count how many vowels are in your name. 1, 2. It's 2. Then you will write here 2. After that, you will write how many consonants are in your name. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write 4 here. Okay. So इसी तरह से आपको सभी के नामों में वॉल्स और कॉन्सोनेंट्स को फाइंड करना है एंड देन यू विल राइट numbers of vowels and consonants in these columns. Okay, so make this table, students, and do this work, and after completing this work send it to me. Okay,
So students, I hope you all have understood the concept of vowels and consonant. Now what you have to do, students, do this work and then send it to me. Okay, now it's time to say bye bye.